Okay.
Hey y'all, we have some very sad news. We cannot do the live until like next week. Something came up and we have to wait 24 hours, and we just won't be able to do the live in a like tomorrow. It just wouldn't be possible for us. But we would love to see you guys as soon as possible. Go follow our TikTok, follow this account, and please go follow our Pinterest. That would mean the world to us. But we will do the live as soon as possible, and we will notify you guys. I'm so sorry that this came up.
Here, so when I go in to the live thing on YouTube, this is what it says. So I put my phone number in, verified, and then it said ready in 24 hours. I had no clue that would happen, so we're gonna have to postpone it. Sorry.
Who wouldn't pick up the baby?
And so then,
sorry, I'm talking about this super cute raccoon that I got on TikTok shop. It came with its own trash can and everything.
That's cute.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so until then, we're just gonna make a normal video, which is our first normal video. We're gonna post about it on YouTube Shorts, hopefully on TikTok and maybe on Pinterest. Go follow our Pinterest, by the way.
We have 0 followers. Sorry, someone cut me off.
Hopefully this will be no longer than 10-20 minutes long, because it's gonna take me all night to edit that. So yeah. So we're gonna do a time lapse of some of us making some of our
I'm gonna show you guys it once we're done. My goal is 2 bracelets while we're filming. What's your goal?
As many as I can.
Yeah. We'll try not to make it 50 minutes long, because I know that's really boring for y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be next.
So it's the next day.
Yeah, I was talking to her about something.
Yeah. And
we were watching videos.
yeah, we'll show all the bracelets that we made.
Oh yeah, we'll show all the bracelets that we made tonight, last night. So hold on.
And I'm making one of them right now. So
Here.
we'll be back in a little bit.
Yeah. So I made this one that I'm gonna call Pink Stars. I made this turtle one. I made this one using a bead mix that I call Woodland. And then I made this one.
Okay, so I made a 1989 bracelet, a lover bracelet. Like this like flower bracelet.
Oh.
This bracelet owner one got me for my birthday.
Yeah.
With like the bead mix.
Yeah.
A bangles bracelet. This like Valentine's Day bracelet I made for my teacher. She's like my favorite, by the way.
Yeah.
This like sea star bracelet. And this bracelet that says howdy.
So one of them broke. But she's just gonna add it back into the bead mix.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I have all of my bracelets, and then
I'm still putting mine on.
another one broke. It was
one
the
broke.
cute lover one.
I'm so sad.
Yeah.
Here's all the ones I made that didn't break.
I can't believe 2 bracelets broke. Sad.
In like 5 minutes too. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye. Make sure you follow us.
Yeah, thank you. Subscribe to us.
Bye. We have a Pinterest and a TikTok.